All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And some people are asking what's going on with Salad. I haven't done a live stream in a while, gone over profitability. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm not doing a live stream tonight, just going to be doing a video, but I figured I would start off showing you what rigs I have running and what I'm changing up, what I'm adding, that kind of thing. So right now, this is my 4060 Ti system. That's most of these are Xeon 12 cores, with the exception of I got a Ryzen 7 5700 right there and right there. And then I have one 3060, three 3090s down there, and then two 3090s up here. So I have five 3090s running. And some people were asking me, oh man, you sold off a 3090, what happened? Well, originally I was going to plan on building out an all 3090 farm, but looking at the AI workloads and them not necessarily prioritizing 3090s, whereas some people with 40 series, especially 4090s, but even 4070 Ti Supers and so on, were getting, you know, priority because customers were choosing newer generation cards because they potentially could outperform or at least give better performance for a particular value. I don't know all the different dynamics of what they use and how they use it, that kind of thing, but I'm not going to put all my eggs into one basket or one GPU. So I want to keep 3090s, I want to keep some 3060s, and then I want to get some 40 series cards. So I did sell off one of my machines, and I'm actually swapping some things around on it because the gentleman that bought it, he wanted an FE card. So I pulled the MSI card out, which was, I don't know, somewhere around here, and I put him a Founders Edition 3090 in there. So I got to put the cooler back on, but the RAM will be in tomorrow because he also upgraded from 64 gigs to 128 gigs of DDR4. So I'm going to put that all back together for him. And then he also wanted a bigger power supply because I had a 750 EVGA gold in there, but we swapped it out, and I think it's a 1200 now. So we swapped that out and then just did a little bit of, you know, swooping, swapping, and trading. But yeah, so this system is going to be gone. I am going to be testing out some new things in accordance with doing some like rack mounted stuff, because I really want to do a rack. I feel like that would be really cool. I could stack up some server chassis, but yeah, we're not quite there yet. Let me bring up here we go. So this is over the last 24 hours. I've averaged, what is this, $18.54. That's not great considering I have a lot of hardware online. If we go over to my 7-day chart, last 7 days have been horrible. I've had power outages, I've had internet outages. It's been super hot over here in North Carolina, and just it hasn't been really good uptime. If we go back to my 30 days, the end of last month I was cooking around, you know, $23 to $24 a day for a good almost week straight, and then before that it was 20 to 21 a day. I had less hardware online during this period than I did during this period, but the only issue is this is when I had the power outage, and I lost some of those good long-term jobs. So now I've been hitting a lot of, if you look at it by machine, hold on, a lot of spotty jobs where they come online and they go away. Whereas look at these jobs over here, they were like steady and long, and over here it's just like boom, 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 all over the place. Now it has been picking up over the last couple days. Let's go to the 7-day, see if this shows it a little bit better. Not really. Okay, so you can see over the last few days it's been picking up, so we are looking like we're going to be doing more and more. Let's go, hold on. So yesterday, the 15th, I did $9, and now I'm looking like I'm going to be doing 18. So yeah, we're definitely looking like we're going to have some more revenue than we did before. Let me knock on wood here and hope that we don't have a power outage, we don't have an internet outage. It has strongly made me consider getting a UPS, not to keep the machines up for a long period of time, but just to keep them up during like a power blip, especially my internet modem, because it's like any little power blip, it takes it offline, it drops all the jobs, and wham bam, thank you ma'am, you're done. So now going up here and looking over the last earnings over the last 30 days, I have done $493, so that's pretty good, can't complain there. And yeah, I guess we'll just keep on chugging away. Some people are like, oh, is it dead? Is Salad dead? I don't think it's dead. If you compare it to GPU mining, if you have a job, it's gonna dominate and pay significantly better than that same card on any GPU mining algorithm. And I'll just, you know, leave you with that grain of salt there, or that grain of whatever, 2 cents, whatever, you know what I mean. Anyway, y'all have a good night. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.